Hi and welcome to the Math Walkthrough on Cambridge IGCSE 2020 to 2022 Specimen Paper 1 58001. Question 1. The diagram shows the map of part of an orienteering course. Sanji runs from the start S to the point A. Write SA as a column vector. With A being 3 grids to the left and 4 grids higher, the required vector is -3, 4. Question 2. When Ali takes a penalty, the probability that he will score a goal is 4/5. Ali takes 30 penalties. Find how many times he's expected to score a goal. This would be 4/5 of 30. Question 3. The ratio of N's height to Ben's height is 7 to 9. N's height is 1.4 meters. Find Ben's height. Ben's height is 9/7 of N's height. Next, the distance between the centers of two villages is 8 km. A map on which they are shown has a scale of 1 to 50,000. Calculate the distance between the centers of two villages on the map. Give your answer in centimeters. There are two conversions here, one being the scale of 1 to 50,000 and the second being from kilometers to centimeters. Question 5. The bar chart shows the favorite colors of the students in a class. How many students are in the class? This would be the sum of the 5 frequencies of the bar chart. Next, write down the modal color. This would be the color with the highest frequency and it being green. Question 6. Use your calculator to find the stated expression. This is 7.5. Question 7a. Calculate 60% of 200. The math should take us to 120. Next, write 0.36 as a fraction. Give your answer in its lowest terms. This would be 36/100 in its raw form, which would translate to 9/25 as its lowest terms. Question 8. A circle has a radius of 50 centimeters. Calculate the area of the circle in centimeters square. The area can be obtained from the formula pi r squared with r being 50. Next, write your answer to part A in meters square. This is obtained by further dividing the previous answer by 100 square. Question 9. The graph shows the temperature in Paris from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. one day. What was the temperature at 9 a.m.? From the blue circle on the graph, its y-axis would read as 15 degrees Celsius. Next, between which two times was the temperature decreasing? The graph decreases between 1 p.m. and 6 p.m. Next, work out the difference between the maximum and minimum temperatures shown. The required difference is 27.5 minus 12.5. Question 10a. Write down the mathematical name of a quadrilateral that has exactly two lines of symmetry. It can be either the rectangle or the rhombus. Next, write down the mathematical name of a triangle with exactly one line of symmetry. This is the isosceles triangle. Next, write down the order of rotational symmetry of regular pentagon. Being a 5-sided polygon, the answer is 5. Question 11. Without using your calculator, work out the stated expression. The math should take us to 11/24. Question 12. The diagram shows the graph of y equals x plus 1 square. On the same grid, draw the line y equals 3. This is the added horizontal straight line on the graph. Next, use your graph to find the solutions of the stated equation. Give each solution correct to one decimal place. These would be the x values where the two lines intersect. Question 13. The front of a house is in the shape of a hexagon with two right angles. The other 4 angles are all the same size. Calculate the size of one of these angles. The sum of interior angles of the hexagon is 4 times 180 degrees, coming to 720 degrees. Therefore, the remaining 4 angles is 720 degrees minus 180 degrees, which comes to 540 degrees. Therefore, each angle is 540 degrees divided by 4. Question 14a. Expand and simplify the given expression. The math should take us to 9x minus 10. Question 14b. Expand the given expression. It should take us to 2x cubed minus 3x. Question 15. Describe the correlation. With those scoring high on mathematics scoring low in English, this is a negative correlation. Next, the mean for the mathematics test is 47.3. The mean for the English test is 30.3. Plot the mean 47.3 and 30.3 on the scatter diagram above. This is the blue plot on the diagram. Next, draw the line of best fit on the diagram above. Generally speaking, this would be a straight line that separates as many plots above as there are below. Next, one student missed the English test. She receives 45 marks in the mathematics test. Use your line to estimate the mark she might have gained in the English test. In method, this will be projecting 45 from the x-axis to the line and from the line to the y-axis to produce the required English test mark. Question 16a. In the diagram, AB is parallel to DE. Angle ABC is 110 degrees. Find angle BDE. With angle BDE being an alternate to angle ABD, it is equal to 180 degrees minus 110 degrees. Question 16b. TA is a tangent at A to the circle with center O. Angle AOB is 50 degrees. Find the value of y. With OAB being an isosceles triangle, y is 180 degrees minus 50 degrees minus 50 degrees. Next, find the value of z. With AT being a tangent against OA, z is 90 degrees minus 50 degrees. Next, find the value of t. With y and z being identified, you can decipher t from the triangle OAT. Question 17. The diagram shows a ladder of length 8 meters leaning against a vertical wall. The bottom of the ladder stands on the horizontal ground 3 meters from the wall. Find the height of the top of the ladder above the ground. You can identify the height using the Pythagoras formula. Next, use trigonometry to calculate the value of y. Knowing that cos y is equal to 3 over 8, you could solve for y. Question 18a. Lucinda invests $500 at a rate of 5% per year simple interest. Calculate the interest Lucinda has after 3 years. The simple interest is 500 times 0.05 times 3. Next, Andy invests $500 at a rate of 5% per year compound interest. Calculate how much more interest Andy has than Lucinda after 3 years. The compound interest of 78.81 can be calculated by multiplying 500 times 1.05 to the order of 3 minus 500. The difference is this number minus the earlier number of 75. We have reached the end of this walkthrough. Do be on the lookout of our other walkthroughs if you have found this beneficial.